to Australia. The local time in Sydney is 6 a.m., being Thursday, the 20th of February. With your safety in mind, please stay in your seats until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. And if your mobile phone is handy, you may now deactivate flight mode. If you're continuing on another international flight and have a boarding pass, please check the screens throughout the terminal for details of your next flight departure. And if you don't have a boarding pass, please make your way to the transfer area. If you're continuing on a domestic flight, please clear immigration, collect your bags and clear customs. And for Qantas domestic flights, please make your way to the domestic transfer facility. For Jetstar's domestic flights, please make your way to Terminal 2. Simply follow the signs outside the terminal, and as always, the Qantas ground team is happy to help. Please take care when opening overhead lockers as bags may have moved and could fall out. Remember to check your seat and your seat pockets for any personal belongings. Once the seatbelt sign is off, you'll be leaving through the second door on your left. And just a reminder, smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted unless there is a designated smoking area in the terminal. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. On behalf of Captain David Rankin, the Qantas team, and One World, I'd like to thank you for flying with us. And if you're visiting Australia, we hope you enjoy your stay. And of course, for those returning, welcome home. Good morning. Para penumpang sekalian, selamat datang di Sydney, Australia. Waktu setempat menunjukkan jam 6 pagi hari Kamis, tanggal 20 Februari. Walaupun kita sudah mendarat, untuk keselamatan Anda, kami persilakan Anda untuk tetap duduk dan tetap mengenakan sabuk pengaman hingga Kapten memadamkan lampu tanda sabuk pengaman. Kami meminta Anda untuk berhati-hati sewaktu membuka laci bagasi di atas kepala, karena bagasi Anda mungkin bergeser selama penerbangan. Dan jika lampu tanda sabuk pengaman sudah dipadamkan, Anda dipersilakan untuk meninggalkan pesawat melalui pintu depan. Dan sebelum Anda meninggalkan pesawat, silakan memeriksa sekitar tempat duduk Anda dan kantung tempat duduk di depan Anda. Pastikan tidak ada barang-barang pribadi Anda yang tertinggal. Merokok tidak diperkenakan kecuali jika ada tempat yang sudah ditentukan sebagai ruangan untuk merokok di terminal. Atas nama Captain David Rankin dan seluruh awak pesawat, kami mengucapkan selamat datang di Sydney dan terima kasih atas pilihan Anda untuk terbang bersama kami. Kami harap Anda telah menikmati penerbangan Anda dan kami menanti untuk bertemu dengan Anda lagi di waktu yang dekat. Selamat pagi.
Ready to sound doors and cross check.